Hi everyone, welcome back to SGDA Student Game Showcase, Section D, I believe. We're here with Oddinary Farm from the team from VGDC at CSU Fullerton. I'm Jason again, the president for SGDA. Megna, if you would like to introduce yourself and the team here.
Hello, I'm Megna. I'm the marketing lead coming at you for another showcase section, and here we have the team behind Oddinary Farm. Would you guys like to introduce yourselves as well as give a quick summary of what this game is about?
Right. Thank you for inviting us. My name is Khoa. I'm the team lead and also one of the programmers for the game.
Hi, my name is Susana Garcia. I'm one of the artists of Oddinary Farm.
Hi, I'm Ryan Carpenter, and I'm a programmer, and I'm also a lead on the team.
Hello, my name is Angelica, Atega, also, and I'm the writer of this game.
Hello, my name is Emily. I have helped with the programming, and I'm also another lead on the team.
Okay, awesome. You guys can go ahead and start if you like, and if someone can give a little bit of a summary of what Oddinary Farm is about.
All right. So the game has started. Our original concept is we farm during the day and you defend your farm at night, but you must also collaborate with your friend and to escape an island filled with quirky animals and plants in this game called Oddinary Farm. It started out as like a kind of like a sandbox game so that we can learn difficult mechanics like netcode, procedure generation. It's basically like a tech demo. But then we eventually grow it out and it become like the game that we have currently.
Awesome. Yeah, definitely. What was striking about this game when I was playing it was the fact that it's a collaborative sandbox type of game where you're not only kind of doing all these very cozy game things like farming, but then you're also defending your land pretty much.
Yeah.
What did the idea for Oddinary Farm get started?
Right. So at first we started out kind of like want to do like a survival crafter. It's kind of like Minecraft or Terraria, but like we quickly realized that we cannot compete with this huge game already on the market. So we tried to like put our own spin on it. And at first, like people's first impression is always, well, wow, is it like Stardew Valley? Are you trying to make Stardew Valley? And I was, no, it's actually kind of more arcade-ish. So one of the focus we have is we want it to be arcade-ish, which means it doesn't have like a 40 hours gameplay, 80 hours gameplay, but we want to focus more on like the 1 hour gameplay session that is super fun. And at the end of the day, right, you want to have fun with your friend for like an hour or two and forget about the game kind of thing.
Awesome. Yeah, definitely it's definitely something I hadn't really seen, as I mentioned before. So that's like a really cool concept, and especially considering the art style as well. So what kind of inspired this very cozy, I keep saying cozy game, but very cozy game style.
Right. We want it to be more kind of like cutesy, more approachable as style, because we think like, you know, a lot of like action game or like a lot of like arcade games nowadays, they are like very greedy and like bloody, right? And I'm thinking, what if our game is pleasant to the eyes and it does not overwhelm the players? So that's like our goal right here. We want to make it familiar, easy to play, easy to pick up, and yeah, that's the kind of like the main idea. Well,
awesome. And how long has development been for this game?
Right. The game has been in prototype for like around 2 years, and at that point I was working alone, and I was focusing on getting like the tech underneath out. For example, like the netcode, the multiplayer, and also like customization is like a big thing early on that I want to focus on. But then eventually it has like a good base, and then we move on into I actually choose this as my capstone project, and about like 6 months ago I pick up like this amazing team that we have right here, and we just kind of like build the game and bring it from a tech demo into an actual game.
Awesome! Wow. So like 2 years of development I've gone into this so far.
Right, it's an on and off thing. It's not like all continuous 8 days a week thing.
Oh my god, not the last one. Very cool. In terms of like game development as a whole, what's one of the most difficult parts of like developing this game so
Right.
far?
Right. So technical wise, a lot of the netcode is actually really hard to get a start on because there's like not a lot of documentation, and also it's like the first time I made it. And then we eventually, I think the inventory system is like a headache as well. Another thing is the procedural generation system. So as you can see, we have like a big island over here, and we don't want the whole island in the game at one moment. That would cause like a lot of lag and performance issues. But aside from that, I think since we are like a fairly big team, we have like around like 11 developers right now, and so communication is like a big part of it. Other things such as like timeline management, and also like just fear of overscoping, right? We want to have like a short and sweet and focused game, and we don't want to like keep the game running for forever.
Yeah, definitely. Overscoping is always like a big fear of mine. I mean, I'm a producer, so it makes sense, but I definitely can see that kind of being something that you have to consider, especially doing something like a bit more of a farming game where you're also fighting things. There could be a potential to like to add more than you can chew.
Right.
Alright,
So
awesome.
it looks like a farming game, but like I think as the game right, it will get very chaotic later on. As you can see. And I guess I forgot to mention this, but like as a part of the game, around like day 7, the island will get flooded, and the goal of the game is you have to build a hot air balloon, and you have to collaborate with everyone to like get everyone off the island and escape and just have fun.
Whoa. Okay. So there's like natural disasters.
Yes. So that's another aspect. Like I don't want to make it like kind of like cozy game where you have like a lot of decoration and like player put a lot of time into the farm, and then the farm get destroyed in the end, right? So I want to make everything kind of like functional and have their own function, and the player should be just able to like eyeball it, like, oh, I want to put the defense over here. They don't have to think about planning for the fence. And
Gotcha.
and the point is oh yes,
right?
yes. So I think I want to make this a very fast-paced experience as well, despite this like look like a farming game.
Gotcha. Alright, awesome. In terms of like the survival game genre, are you guys big fans of that particular genre? And like, what do you like most about him?
We are a big fan of survival games, so we are actually a lot of us play Minecraft and Terraria, and also there's always the talk of like, let's make a vanilla Minecraft server and just play it, right? So we absolutely love it. But for the genre, I think I want to focus the game and steer it into more of like an arcade style. So we try to stay away from like survival crafter mechanics, such as like bronze, silver, copper, gold, and it's just kind of like a same item that do the same thing. It's just the stat get inflated, right? So instead of doing that, we want to have like a a unique. Each item is unique on its own. It provide a specific aspect to the game.
Got it. Yeah. It definitely gave me a lot of Terraria vibes, especially with the art style kind of being really a bit more cutesy.
Right.
All right, awesome. So I think how we're doing on time.
I think we have about 5-ish more minutes here.
Okay, cool. So in terms,
we
sorry.
Game a little bit, so hopefully it should go by quick.
Oh, you're gonna.
Yeah.
Nice.
It doesn't usually play this quick, but we just decided to do it for the showcase.
Awesome. Very entranced by everything that's going on.
Yeah, you haven't seen nothing yet.
No. Hot air balloon.
Ryan, can you spawn us some money so I can show everyone the hot air balloon?
Yeah, we have a cool terminal in the game too. Just to help us like debug things.
Gotcha.
Stuff like that. Alright, that should be enough.
Okay, so we have because the money scale up with how much people we have in game, so it will be a little bit expensive.
Oh.
So let me spawn some more and some more money right here, so we can like build it up. Oh, a little bit more. Oh.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no. The chaos has started.
Yeah, now it starts to get chaotic.
I want to showcase like the laser gun as well. This is our newest item.
Whoa.
So let's see. Oh. And okay, now we got some money, and then this is our hot air balloon right here. So at the end game, as you can see, the water is like going up to our base right now, and eventually everything will get flooded. So everyone need to have their hot air balloon, and we have like incentive for everyone to help every others to build their own hot air balloon and get out at the same time. Like you don't want to leave your friend behind. Those kind of things. But right, I think because the game is speed up, we won't actually see the hot air balloon take off. But like everyone will have to like stay behind. Unfortunately, let's see.
Gotcha. Well, yeah, I definitely see the flooding now.
Yeah, so I want to create like a very kind of like tricking the player into thinking it's gonna be a relaxing game at the start, but then toward the end game it will definitely be a lot more chaotic and with all the flood happening, and I want to see it's like a tense moment, like enemies attacking your farm, everything is flooding, your defense is failing, and you take off on the hot air balloon in the nick of time.
Yeah, play on the players' feelings a little bit, kind of pull the rug from under them.
Right.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, we're coming up a little bit on time, but in terms of obviously, sorry, I'm just getting distracted again by the game, but because it's just I'm in love with all the visuals, so it's already like pretty fun to see. But is there anything you want to shout out prior to the end of your showcase section, or also what are you planning on doing next in Oddinary Farm?
Right. I see. Well, just briefly describe the plan we have in the future. So we want to. This is our spring island, and then we have our summer, our fall, and our winter island with unique themes. And for our first boss, we want to do a laser deer. That would cause chaos, and a lot of we want to implement quirky plants and animals into the game as well. Like as you see, like the bouncy count is like just only one of the first. And for the future of the plan of the game, I want to have like a private play testing and also like Steam demo release. So that's something to look forward to. And shout out to Cal State Fullerton Video Game Development. It has been a huge help to have you guys with us. and also Nam specifically, and Trent family for helping us with playtesting.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much, guys. It's really fun to see sort of like the entire life cycle of your game too through this stream. And it's super chaotic, and I wish you luck on further development. And thank you for coming for the showcase stream.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you
no
so
problem.
much.
Thank you. It's
Okay,
And,
we'll see you later.
yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Thanks.
you. Bye.
Bye.